Spring goes by so fast, but I still have a story to tell you.
I found a great spotted woodpecker 3 weeks ago maybe, and then it was laying on eggs. So I hope like having chicks right now. So I'm going to check that out and see if we can photograph the great spotted woodpecker. So I cannot wait going to the forest again. So nice. To keep track of all the birds and animals I want to photograph, I'm using trail cams to get a little picture on what is in the area. I was lucky to get contacted by KNF Concept, and they have a different kind of stuff for photographers. One of them is a trail camera. So this trail camera here, kind of way to test out going into the forest, and then I'm going to put it up a couple of feeders and see what is in like the area there. It's the feeding station, which I put out some seeds earlier. I have seen the hawfinch, the bullfinch, and I'm going to put up the trail camera later on. And I'm definitely going to spend some time in this area with smaller birds like the hawfinch or the bullfinch. That's pretty nice. But now it's a short time with the woodpeckers, so I have to prioritize that and come back to this later on.
Luckily this year we had the time to be a lot more at our cabin, enjoying our time together as a family. But it also meant a lot of work. We are making our cabin bigger, so my whole family can spend time together there at the same time. But that also meant that I could go out in this beautiful nature.
I'm almost here where I saw the nest 3 weeks ago. So I have my V7 blind from Tragopan with me in case I have to conceal myself fully. But I'm going to try with the ghillie suit first and see how the bird reacts. If the birds react, I'm going to use the blind. And if the birds react to that, I'm going home. It's not worth to make the birds uncomfortable around the nesting site. So warm. It's so damp. The forecast is rain and thunder in the night. It's quite humid, but let's go and see if there are any activity. I thought I heard the call of the woodpecker on further down the forest there, so that could be a good sign that the woodpecker is still here. I forgot my ghillie coat, so I might need to use the blind. Oh, the female. It went in. There is chicks in the nest. Oh, yes. She's not out yet, so I'm going to try to film when she's come out. haven't seen her coming out yet. Either they are really small and newly hatched and she's still keeping them warm. That I don't know. It's confirmed. They have chicks inside. The male just came in with food and the female went out, and the male just went in and out to get more food. That's a good sign. There are chicks in the nest. And the good thing number 2 is that I can use this little brush, the tree hair, as a camouflage, and they went into the nest without making any sound and any hesitation. So that's good as well. The good thing about the great spotted woodpecker, they are a little bit more comfortable around humans. It's quite cool to sit here and watch the little family together, and yeah, in a beautiful, beautiful forest like this here.
Woodpeckers are often considered indicator species. The presence, absence, and population level can provide valuable information about the health of an ecosystem. They are also really important for other birds that don't pick out nests, but can nest in an old hole of a woodpecker.
I found a better place now with some leaves in the foreground. So I like getting to frame in the bird. Much more beautiful background as well. But the downside is that all my batteries for the vlogging camera is blinking red, and that means that I don't have too much battery. So when this battery is down, I have to vlog on either my GoPro or my phone, so I'm sorry for that. But now I'm just waiting for the birds to come in again with some food. And yeah, this is so nice. I just got the male hair beautifully on the tree log with a little bit of framing in. So that is what I'm working on right now. And I'm so happy to be out in the forest. This is the best medicine for all like your worries. So get out and enjoy nature. That is the best medicine you can get, in my opinion though. Time to focus on the woodpecker. I'm going to save some batteries on this vlogging camera, and I'll speak to you a little bit later. This is so hard because the head need to be in a certain angle, and that is not easy. And now I got the beautiful light and the male with like some nice posture. So yeah, I'm happy, really happy. Oh, and I'm starting to forget that the midges are in the pain in the neck. Beautiful light. Is in this condition here you feel alive in nature when everything is like you hear the sound of the birds, the calmness. I can hear the chicks.
It all started with this male drumming to get the female attention, and ended so well with healthy chicks fledged to make their own family once. I cannot wait for next spring.